Inland steel. Skidor, Owings, and Miller's inland steel building is one of modern architecture's most memorable structures. The first Chicago high-rise built since the Great Depression. Transformed the American office culture during the second half of the 20th century. Brunswick Building. The Brunswick was an early collaboration between SOM high-rise pioneer Bruce Graham, Myron Goldsmith, and Fazl Orkan. The Brunswick Building was the first of its kind concrete tube structure, the Daly Center. The 648-foot, 31-story building features Corten, a self-weathering steel. Corten was designed to rust, actually strengthening the structure and giving the building its distinctive red and brown color. Hancock Center. The world's first mixed-use high-rise, the John Hancock Center is an architectural icon. The nature of the design remains an archetype for the collaborative ideal that continues to make SOM a leader in the spectrum of design disciplines. Apparel Center. Apparel Center is a 24-floor multipurpose building located in the near North Side community area of Chicago. 3 First National Plaza. 3 First National Plaza is a 57-story office tower in Chicago. Completed in 1981, the building is one of the tallest in Chicago, at 767 feet. NBC Tower. The design is considered one of the finest reproductions of the Art Deco style. The tower is further enhanced by the use of limestone piers and recessed tinted glass with granite spandrels. Trump Tower. The Trump Tower project benefits from SOM's ability to recognize and deal with evolving socio-economic trends, thus enabling its clients to adjust to changing market trends. Willis Tower. The design of the Willis Tower was a major step towards representing and defining the SOM way, in which a building's structure naturally informs its external profile and appearance. Burj Khalifa, formerly Burj Dubai, at the center of a large-scale development, is the tallest building in the world. The design combines cultural influences with cutting-edge technology to achieve a high-performance building. Its massing is manipulated in the vertical dimension to minimize the impact of wind on the tower's movement. Project facts. Completion year, 2010. Site area, 104,210 meters squared. Project area, 454,249 meters squared. Building height, 828 meters. Inspired design. While it is excellent in every respect, it is the unique design of Burj Khalifa that truly sets it apart. The centerpiece of this new world capital attracted the world's most esteemed designers to an invited design competition. Ultimately, the honor of designing the world's tallest tower was awarded the global leader in creating ultra-tall structures, the Chicago office of Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill LLP, SOM, with Adrian Smith FAIA, REBDA, consulting design partner. The selected design was subject to an extensive peer review program to confirm the safety and effectiveness of the structural systems. Architecture. The architecture features a triple-lobed footprint, an abstraction of the Hymenocallis flower. The tower is composed of 3 elements arranged around a central core. The modular, Y-shaped structure, with setbacks along each of its 3 wings, provides an inherently stable configuration for the structure and provides good floor plates for residential. 26 helical levels decrease the cross-section of the tower incrementally. As it spirals skyward, the central core emerges at the top and culminates in a sculpted spire. A Y-shaped floor plan maximizes views of the Arabian Gulf. Viewed from the base or the air, Burj Khalifa is evocative of the onion domes prevalent in Islamic architecture. Wind tunnel testing. Over 40 wind tunnel tests were conducted on Burj Khalifa to examine the effects the wind would have on the tower and its occupants. These ranged from initial tests to verify the wind climate of Dubai, to large structural analysis models and facade pressure tests, to microclimate analysis of the effects at terraces and around the tower base. Even the temporary conditions during the construction stage were tested with the tower cranes on the tower to ensure safety at all times. Stack effect or chimney effect is a phenomenon that affects super tall building design and arises from the changes in pressure and temperature with height. Special studies were carried on Burj Khalifa to determine the magnitude of the changes that would have to be dealt with in the building design, floor plan. Concourse level to level 8 and level 38 and 39 will feature the Armani Hotel Dubai. Levels 9 to 16 will exclusively house luxurious 1- and 2-bedroom Armani residences. Floors 45 through 108 are private ultra-luxury residences. The corporate suites occupy most of the remaining floors, except for level 122, which houses a restaurant, and level 124, the tower's public observatory. For the convenience of homeowners, the tower has been divided into sections with exclusive sky lobbies on levels 43, 76, and 123 that feature state-of-the-art fitness facilities, including a jacuzzi on level 43 and 76. The sky lobbies on 43 and 76 additionally house swimming pools and a recreational room, each that can be utilized for gatherings and lifestyle events, offering an unparalleled experience. Both pools open to the outside, offering residents the option of swimming from inside to the outside balcony. Other facilities for residents include a residence library and Burj Khalifa Gourmet Market, a gourmet convenience store and meeting place for the residents. Valet parking will be provided for guests and visitors. Interiors. The interior design of Burj Khalifa public areas was also done by the Chicago office of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill LLP, and was led by award-winning designer Nada Endrick. It features glass, stainless steel and polished dark stones, together with silver travertine flooring, Venetian stucco walls, handmade rugs, and stone flooring. The interior were inspired by local culture while staying mindful of the building's status as a global icon and residence artwork. Over 1,000 pieces of art from prominent Middle Eastern and international artists will adorn Burj Khalifa and the surrounding MAR Boulevard. Many of the pieces were specially commissioned by MAR to be a tribute to the spirit of global harmony. The pieces were selected as a means of linking cultures and communities, symbolic of Burj Khalifa being an international collaboration. The Dubai Fountain. Outside, and at a cost of US $217 million, a record-setting fountain system was designed by Wet Designs, the California-based company responsible for the fountains at the Bellagio Hotel Lake in Las Vegas. Illuminated by 6,600 lights and 50 colored projectors, it is 275 m long and shoots water 150 m into the air, accompanied by a range of classical to contemporary Arabic and world music. On the 26th of October 2008, MAR announced that based on results of a naming contest, the fountain would be called the Dubai Fountain.